Do you want customers to find your store or office faster on Google Maps? Meet Google Maps for Wix, the smart and reliable tool to pin your store, dealership, or stockist location on a navigation-enabled Google map. No coding, no complex setup. Just install the app and start adding your locations manually or upload them in bulk using a CSV file. Display unlimited locations on an interactive Google map. Add custom pins, images, phone numbers, and full addresses for every location. Show a 5-star rating with manually added review numbers to instantly build customer trust. Add opening and closing hours so visitors know exactly when to visit. Enable real-time directions with one click, making it effortless for customers to reach you. Control the map experience your way. Enable or disable zoom buttons, map or satellite view toggle, map scale, and full screen mode. Want to place the map exactly where you need it? Manually position the map anywhere on your page to match your layout perfectly. Whether you run a single store, restaurant, service business, or manage multiple locations, this app makes it simple for customers to find you. Drive more foot traffic, improve customer experience, make finding your business simple. Install Google Maps for Wix today and join hundreds of businesses already using it to connect online visitors with real-world locations.